Hi everyone, and welcome to this guide. Today I'll show you how to share Excel or any other files on Google Drive so that everyone can edit them. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. This is where all of your files are stored and organized. Next, find the Excel file you want to share. This could be a school project, a work report, or even a personal budget file. Once you've located the file, right-click on it and choose the Share option. This opens the sharing menu, which is where you'll control who has access. By default, files are set to restricted. To allow broader access, change the setting to anyone with the link. From here, you can decide if people can view, comment, or edit the file. This flexibility is powerful, but remember, anyone with the link can access it, so avoid sharing sensitive information this way. If you'd like to keep things more private, you can also invite specific collaborators. Just type in their email addresses, assign their permission level, and click Send. They'll receive an email notification giving them instant access. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Excel file on Google Drive. Whether you're collaborating on work, school, or personal projects, this simple method makes teamwork easier, faster, and more productive.